Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set your premium price in Rocket Money. So the Rocket Money premium uses a pay what you think is fair pricing model, allowing you to choose your monthly subscriptions price within the available range. So you can select your preferred amount when signing up for premium or change it later if you already have an active membership. So actually guys, first you will need just to open the Rocket Money app and then just go ahead and tap the gear icon or the settings icon that's located at the left corner or the upper left corner right here. So once you tap it, you will then find an option. It says premium membership. So to see that option, you will need first to proceed to the dashboard of the app. Right, so I couldn't proceed to the dashboard on the specific phone, and that's only because my Capital One bank account is blocked currently. So I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So once you find the premium membership option, just tap it and then tap start free trial or choose your own price if you are or you have previously enrolled, and then just use the pricing options or tap choose custom amount to adjust the slider, then tap on continue, and then of course you will need to select your payment method and tap go premium to activate your membership. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.